You want to get 1000 subscribers on YouTube and eventually monetize. In this video, I'll be telling you exactly what you have to know and what you have to do in order to get 1000 subscribers and eventually monetize on YouTube. So make sure you stay tuned on this video. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, and then make sure you don't touch that dial. When it comes to growth, there are basically two types of YouTube channels, and that's what most people don't know. And that's why I've made a write-up here. I made a write-up on how to grow on YouTube, and I will be using it as a guide in this video. So as I was saying, there are basically two types of YouTube channels. The first one is the easy to grow YouTube channel, and then the second one is the hard to grow YouTube channel. Now, on the easy to grow YouTube channels, we have channels like tech channels, make money online channels, sports, news, politics, crypto, etc. Now, the difficult or the hard to grow YouTube channels consist of vlogs. If you know of vlogs, they are hard to grow YouTube channels. Discoveries, motivation, comedy, etc. Now, let me explain why they are easy to grow and also they are hard to grow. Easy to grow YouTube channels has to do more with the videos you make are around a particular or specific topic. So for example, now if you are making a video on tech, and maybe you are making a video on the maybe the newly released iPhone, for example, maybe iPhone released iPhone 20, you know that as a new product in the market, many people will be searching up for it. So by you making video even with 0 subscribers and also 0 watch time, you can gross many views. The main secret about YouTube is just views. It's just views, not subscribe. You shouldn't be chasing subscribers. It's just the views, because if you are getting much views, you are having a higher chance or higher tendency to get subscribers. Now, for the difficult or hard to grow YouTube channels, these are channels that you make videos on based on your personal maybe interests. Maybe for example, you are making a video on comedy. That video you are making on comedy has nothing to do with a global search term. It's not something that is highly searchable. Maybe if you are just if you want to make reference now to that of the easy to grow, if you are making a video on crypto now, you know that everybody knows Ethereum. Almost everybody knows Ethereum. Almost everybody knows Bitcoin. So if you are making a video now on Bitcoin, you know that everybody or almost everybody knows about this. So that is just why these channels are easy to grow and these ones are hard to grow. It's a bit easier for you to grow a channel of sports, because imagine you are making a video now on Messi scored goal. You are going to see much people searching for that video, and on the line they can also see you on. So that's just the difference, the easy to grow and also the hard to grow. And that's why in this video I'll be telling you exactly what you have to know in order to grow both the easy to grow YouTube channels and also the hard to grow YouTube channel. So guys, if you are new here and this is your first time of being on this channel, my name is Consolo Nyekure, and on this channel we make videos on how to make money online in Nigeria. We also share tips on how to grow your finance. So you can just go ahead now, subscribe to this channel now, turn on the notification so that anytime we upload another wonderful content, you are going to be notified. Okay guys, are we back and are we ready to continue on the video? Now, there are basically 3 steps or 3 things that you must obey or you must observe. Those 3 tricks, they are 3 in number. You must observe them in order to get to 1000 subscribers. And now I'll be mentioning them to you now. The first one is getting recognized on YouTube. The second one is SEO, knowing your SEO. And the third one, which is let me say a bit very important is consistency. No matter what, consistency. Now, on the first one, getting recognized on YouTube, we have YouTube to understand your channel. All right, the first one now is for YouTube to understand your channel. You know, when you are creating your channel now, you won't see any place they will ask you what is your channel about. That's what kind of content will you like to be putting on your channel. So on that place now, on this particular aspect, YouTube wants to understand what your channel is about. That's why if you are making videos on YouTube, you must focus on one thing. Focus, even if you want to diversify, you don't have to diversify in things that are not relating to that niche. So it's just about picking a niche. So if you want to pick a niche now, you just have to pick something that you know that you will be doing over and over again. If you want to do news or on politics, you just have to keep uploading videos on politics. And another thing, try to upload videos that have high search terms. You know, there are some topics now that will have some, high search time. So you don't have to just be uploading randomly any video you put. You just have to search for videos that have high search term. And except that okay, don't make random videos. You don't have to make random videos. For example, in your channel you are making sports, you are putting comedy, you are, oh come on, it's just too much now. It's just too much. So you just have to focus on one thing. If you are making that one thing, then you just have to stick to it. Now the second thing under that first section, do not start with one video. Yes, experts have confirmed that if you want to start a YouTube channel now and you start up with only one video, sometimes it sends a bad signal to YouTube. And not even that you are starting that one video and maybe the next day you put another one, another day you put another one. You just started with one, next day you didn't put, another year you didn't put or maybe another month you didn't put, then later after like 3 months you still come and put another video. You are not going anywhere. You just have to keep putting videos. If you want to start, if possible, 5 videos, that's what they said. But if possible, make it 10, make it 15. Make sure you upload everything that same day. And after uploading that same day, you can wait and see the results. And not that you just upload. I will be telling you how you are supposed to, place your SEO. We are coming to that on those your videos. Now, the next thing is to make sure to follow channels like yours. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Yes, it also improves your channel algorithm. If you are starting a YouTube channel now and you want to grow, you have to, I don't know if you remember this social media, Reddit. On Reddit, there's something they call karma. So on that karma, your karma grows. Your karma it allows you to use the platform at a very very higher rate. So karma can only grow only when you keep commenting or upvoting other people's comments, trying to support others. So as you try to support others, your karma is also growing. And as your karma grows, it gives you more like unlimited power to use the app. Maybe in some places that you can't comment or you can't post your video, if your karma has grown, you can then post your video those places, and then you can get natural views. So that's what it simply means. So YouTube now hides their own. You won't know. It has confirmed that if you are somebody that used to make videos on YouTube, okay, sorry, not make videos. If you are somebody that used to comment on people's videos and you used to get high that's high result of people coming to comment under that your comments, liking that your comment, it's likely that if you are to create your own YouTube channel, many people are going to join like that. YouTube is going to push your algorithm because they have seen that you are also a good user of YouTube. They need people to keep staying on their platform. So if they see that you are trying to improve their platform, when you start your own channel, they will also, they will like to boost your channel better than those that don't participate. So if you want to grow on YouTube, try to follow channels that like your own, try to comment, like, and also, you know and also share if possible. Now the second thing that you have to observe is SEO, knowing your SEO. Now um there's a site that you can use to, to improve your SEO. That's the name of that site is rapidtags.io. Rapidtags.io. Rapid, RAPID, tags, TAGS dot io. So that's the name of the site. On this site, all you just have to do is, if you create a YouTube video, you head over to that site and put the name of that YouTube video. Is going to generate tags for you. And before choosing a YouTube video name, if you are under the hard to grow YouTube channels, try to follow people that are bigger than you. Don't try to reinvent things. If you know you are following somebody like Markangel, might be too big, so you might not follow. Just try to follow an average YouTuber. Maybe if you're under comedy, try to follow an average comedy channel. Whenever that person uploads a video, maybe the name of that video is Obi Goes to School. Try to also make your duplicate of that video. You might also name your own Obi Goes to School, or you name your own Obi Goes to School Late. Just try to add some little things. And after that, make sure you take that name of that video, go to Rapid Tags, place it there, and it's going to generate tags. It's going to mix up tags, bring the best tags for you. If you are uploading your video, put those tags on both the description and also on the tag section. I know that tags now is not so much important, but make sure you also put it. You are going to see how I will put this video. You can just go on the description section. So make sure you just list it down like that. Don't stockpile it. If you put it, make sure you use that is it down slug or what? Make sure you just keep them line by line. And after putting them like that, you are going to see, you start having some natural views. Those people viewing that other person's video, that's the bigger YouTuber, most times their video might also recommend your own because it has seen something similar. And another thing I missed out, if you notice that those people made their video, and when they made their own video, they were saying maybe Papa Bola goes to school, Papa Bola goes to school. You understand? Make sure you also mention that name. That is a keyword, and it will be used to rank your searchability. Make sure you be also mentioning it on your YouTube channel. Just for example, this video I'm making, you'll see I will be saying how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get 1,000 subscribers. It also helps. So even if you are making a news video now, and you know that it's about Bola Tinubu or anybody, you know that Bola Tinubu is a high search term, it's a keyword. So make sure in your video you'll be mentioning Bola Tinubu. It will help to rank your video. If you're also making video on how to make money online in Nigeria, make sure also you'll be mentioning how to make money online in Nigeria. If you say, you make your video, you are talking, small time you also mention how to make money online in Nigeria. It helps to improve your SEO. So guys, another thing is do not come to reinvent. I've already said that. Make similar contents as okay. Use hashtags. Yes, very important. It's important to use hashtags. How do you use hashtag now? Hashtag is you can just check the description of this video. I'm going to show you everything. Hashtag is they are important parts of your YouTube SEO. When you are uploading and you made video on how to make money online in Nigeria, make sure you also put hashtag. There will be a suggestion. I don't know if it's going to come out for yours, but for my own, it used to, it used to do like that. There will be a suggestion, hashtag how to make money online in Nigeria, hashtag make money online from home, hashtag. So that's just how you are going to be doing it. If it's on comedy, try to also have hashtags. Have specific hashtag that you are going to be using over and over again to help make the YouTube algorithm to understand what you are doing. Now, make sure to be monitoring the keywords on your video. Okay, I've already said that. Now the last thing, consistency. Consistency. You can imagine a channel like mine now having only having only 1,000 subscribers, whereas I've made 100 plus videos. So you can just imagine that. You can just imagine that. I was very consistent. There were times I almost gave up, but through the help of my brothers and everybody, they keep telling me, go on, go on. I eventually, when I started YouTube, I started 3 channels that actually crashed. There was a time I started a comedy channel, and then I wasn't able to grow because I didn't know much about YouTube. I was just, beating around the bush. I will make a video today, the next video is coming maybe like the next month or even more. So I didn't know much about YouTube then. I was just making videos carelessly. So eventually, I started knowing about YouTube. That's after my first channel, second and third. This one now is the fourth one. This is the first channel. So eventually I started knowing about YouTube, and then I started improving. So it's just for you to be consistent. Don't give up. Make sure you upload um regularly. If you're a news channel, you just have to upload every single time. Make sure you upload every single day, every single moment. So that's just all about getting 1,000 subscribers and also monetizing on YouTube, getting your 4,000 watch time. You don't have to you don't have to be perfect before starting YouTube. Imagine um even as I'm making this video, I'm not in town. I'm not Is this just my phone? You can see my environment. You can see it here. I'm in the village. Actually, we live in Umuahia. Yes, but Umuahia most times used to be noisy, so I prefer staying here in the village to make my videos. You can see my environment. So just try to be natural. Just try to be natural. Don't try to invent or to reinvent anything on YouTube. Try to be as natural as possible, and then you are going to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. Don't try to change anything. Just follow everything according to suit. And eventually, if you happen to have any questions, you can always forward it to me. My Telegram channel is there, just on the description section. So you can always message me anytime at all. If you're having any problem, you can just tell me. Just tell me. I'm going to assist you on how to get your 1,000 subscribers. Any problem at all. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned by subscribing and stay blessed.